We're at the range today, and the people over in the park are playing loud music, so I apologize in advance. Six shots of Hornady American Gunner, 155 grain, hollow point boat tail, about 100 yards. Alright folks, I'm back home. Just got back from the range. And I measured out my groups with the American Gunner by Hornady, 155 grain 308 bullet, hollow point boat tail. This stuff right here. Some good stuff. And this is what the bullet looks like. Oop. It's got a hollow point. 155 grain. Alright. So the first group right here was 1.25 MOA. That's actually really good for this ammo. I was grouping that the other day. And then this over here was 2.25 MOA. Not really two and a half, but it was almost. And then these down here were the hand loads, my hand loads. And I got 2.75 MOA, 168 grain AMAX bullet by Hornady. Well, anyway, these are the 168 grain AMAX bullets. I did pull this one because I remember doing it. I had my breathing just right, And right when I was about to squeeze the trigger, I nudged just a little bit. I nudged just a wee bit off of the orange sticker here, and the bullet went over here. So if that had been over here, this group would have been a lot tighter. Same with these. I held on the orange sticker each time with these, and that's how they grouped. Not very bad. Not very bad. My M14 really likes Hornady ammunition, and it seemed to really like these 155 grain loads, although it really does like that 150 grain interlock American whitetail by Hornady. Anyway, this is just a video showing what this will do in an M14 M1A. Results may vary, but this is a rough idea of what it could do. Thank you all for watching. I'm going to say thank you all for 203 subscribers. It may be 204 because I haven't been on YouTube today. But anyway, thank you so much for 200 subscribers. I don't know why I said 100. Means a lot. Never figured I'd get to 200 subscribers. I'm going to keep doing videos like these and many more. So stay tuned if you're new. And thanks for sticking around if you're old. This has been Pliskin, and I'll see you all in the next video.